What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. 4 subscribers away at the making of this video from 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So we are almost there. I've made so many videos, I've put in so much work, and we finally are about to hit 1K. But damn, it's a freaking nice day out right now. Getting towards the end of it. It's a Sunday, so back to the good old work week. But the Lowrider S, man, what a bike. What a bike, especially once you start doing things to it and making it unique in your own. You really can't ask for much more out of a commuter motorcycle. Daily driving a bunch of different bikes since I was 18. I'll tell you, this is my favorite one to daily drive. Favorite one. Now, does it get my adrenaline pumping as much as some of the other bikes I've owned in the past or ridden? Maybe not. Do I still have a great time on it? Fuck yeah, dude. And goddamn, it pulls now. Oh my god. I just can't get enough of riding this thing. I really wish I could ride it more throughout the week, but right now I'm in a weird situation in terms of getting to work. You know, I got a van at the shop that I take throughout my work day, but getting there, I could take the bike. It's been a little cold in the early mornings and late evenings, so I'm kind of in that middle situation right now, but hey, you know, we'll get there. So we're running some different camera settings in this video. I figured I'd take a step up from 4K these days. You know, we got the Insta360 that shoots like 5.7 and the GoPro 11 that shoots 5.7. So I've had the ability to record in 5K for a while now, but 4K has just been doing so well. Like, I'm happy with what it looks like. And yeah, but you know, today I figured, why not try the next step, right? I know that YouTube compresses videos down anyway, so what I'm hoping is, in the making of this video in 5K, it has all this extra data. I'm doing 10-bit color. I'm hoping that in post it gives me a little bit more flexibility, and from there I will export it in a 4K format, but it'll maybe have a little bit better of quality. But I will admit that it most definitely Jesus, get out of that pack of fucking cars. But man, if you look at your estimated like record time on 4K, I have a 500 gig SD card in the Insta360. It said 22 hours. I changed it to 5K and it said 9 hours. So the file's got to be so big compared to 4K. I'm going to test it out this run. You guys will see the end product if you're watching this video, and you can kind of make your judgment from there. Like, should you shoot in 5K or 4K? You know, these social media platforms and whatnot are going to compress it anyway, so it's better if you export it after editing in 4K anyway. But I'm thinking it might come out even a little bit more crisp. I don't know. I haven't done it yet, so you be the judge. You can compare them to any of my other videos. Those are all shot in 4K, and just kind of go from there. It's a Sunday though. It's definitely a Sunday. Football's going. I was thinking about going to the bar and watching some games, but I don't know. I've had a long weekend. It was pretty much non-stop. Kind of just want to go for a quick ride, make a quick video, and, you know, chill for the rest of the night. God, those downshifts, boy. That shit sounded fucking nasty right next to that truck. Y'all, it's 2024 though. What are we learning to do on this bike? What are we gonna do to the bike this year? And what are we gonna learn to do on it? You know, I can wheelie a sport bike, a dirt bike, supermoto, but a bitch this heavy? God, it kind of scares me. And you know, the balance point is damn near 12 o'clock on these fucking bikes. But you can wheelie anything, so I don't know. Maybe I should learn. Then we got to start hitting some rolling burnouts. You know, we got the exhaust on there now, so it's going to look and sound badass, to be completely honest with you. But we do need to be different, bro. I mean, I know wheeling a Harley's not different anymore. These guys out here on fucking dynos are just tearing that shit up, but I don't see too many people on lowriders doing it, so maybe we just got to see what it's all about. I'll tell you though, funny little story. I did attempt a rolling burnout, and won't be doing that again until I get some crash bars on this bitch, because you know, I've never done it before, right? So I just didn't even think about not, you know, you got to be careful with that front brake. So I fucking yeet myself forward, drop the clutch, squeeze that front brake. But my front tire did more skidding than my back tire. And I definitely know that's because I applied way too much pressure. Wasn't going nearly as fast enough. Well, I would probably go into good speed actually, but yeah, I almost dropped her doing about 10-15 miles an hour, so kind of sketch. 10 out of 10 wouldn't recommend that. So before I do any more of that, your boy's gotta get some sliders. But I'm trying to see what's going on down here. Looks like fucking nothing worth me stopping and finding out what the hell's going on. Just left the house a little too late. I can't go too far, and with these camera settings and the ND filter I got, I really can't be making a video in the dark. I'm even just fucking rambling right now. Nah, we'll wait. We'll be responsible today. I could have made that shit though. We'll go right now though. That's the year, boys. We're definitely gonna do a cam though. 2024. I've done a lot of cosmetic. I've done a few performance mods on the bike, but I think cam is gonna change the game. Cam, risers, front fairing, and man, are we gonna say the bike is built? Are we gonna be content and happy with where it's at? I don't know. Probably for a little bit. But I think everybody can agree that you get used to whatever setup you're running and things got to change, you know. Sunset's nice tonight, though. Yesterday, man, I really tried to make a video yesterday, but it was fucking miserable outside. Ain't no one want to be depressed like that. Let's go left here. Fuck it, right? That's kind of where we're at. But, hey, this... Sorry to mess up your peaceful evening watching the sunset. My apologies. I feel like I got some dirty looks there. And we got the 360 cam to catch it. Oops. The location we're at right now got absolutely decimated by Hurricane Ian, and it just opened less than 30 days ago from the making of this video. Damn, look at that view, guys. Holy shit. That actually looks really nice. But I mean, you can't really beat that view, right? Isn't that why people come to Florida? So I guess the next milestone for the YouTube channel isn't 2K this year. I want to get to 5K. I think now that I've established a base audience, right? And I'm able to look at that, see what they like. I've posted enough videos to know which ones get viewed, which ones get watched, and all the above. And I can really kind of push harder to gaining a larger audience. And obviously I can't do it all alone, right? I absolutely need your guys' help. Yeah, I'm gonna hate to say it, but I'm probably gonna have to just head home. It's getting too dark for me to see with this visor down. Anyway, YouTube, thank you for checking out this video. I know it wasn't anything crazy, no juicy details or any kind of crazy stories, but you know, just a quick commute, just got to ride around a little bit. I take it out at least once a week. I bring y'all along with me. So give me a like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see down there in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.